Om Amriteshwarye Namah. During these auspicious days of Navaratri this year, let's try to understand the significance of the Navadurgas, the 9 forms of the Divine Mother, and try to decipher the spiritual principle behind these forms. Of course, there could be many ways of interpreting the 9 forms, but let us take a look at them from the perspective of our personal growth, be it our spiritual growth or our venturing into a meaningful endeavor, something purposeful that we are trying to achieve sincerely in our life. So on this 7th day of Navaratri, let's take a look at the 7th of the 9 forms of the Divine Mother, that of Devi Kalaratri.
एकवेणी जपा कर्णपूरा नग्ना खरा स्थिता लंबोष्ठी कर्णिका कर्णि तैलाभ्यक्त शरीरिणी वामपादोलसल्लोहलता कण्टकभूषणा वर्धन्मूर्धध्वजा कृष्णा कालरात्रिर्भयङ्करी कालरात्रिर्भयङ्करी.
We discussed the first 6 names in the previous videos. The first one being Shailaputri, representing the right start one gives to an endeavor one ventures into. 2. Brahmacharini, representing the right attitude to strive, to be dedicated, to be sincere about the goal that we are pursuing after and put in our efforts to achieve it. The third one, Chandraghanta, reminding us not to become complacent that the goal is already achieved. Rather, be ready for hurdles that we may face and face them with the right attitude. The fourth one, Kushmanda, inspiring us to create the opportunities that we want to have, to receive what we rightly deserve, and to make the best of the opportunities we receive. The fifth one being Skanda Mata, conveying to us to be independent and self-confident, to develop the virtues to counter the challenges that we are going to face and face them with these virtues. And then Katyayini as the 6th one, to imbibe and shed the light of knowledge and wisdom and understanding as we pursue our goal. And now the 7th form, that of Kalaratri, a fierce form of the Divine Mother. Kala translates to time and Ratri to night. Ratri means night. Everything in the creation is a function of time. Kalaratri is the one who devours time and one who goes beyond time. The dark or the black complexion of the form of Kalaratri represents the property of being able to absorb everything, like how black color absorbs everything. One who helps go beyond the attachments and the bonds in this physical realm is what Mother Kalaratri represents. And to do that, one needs to take a strong and committed resolve, as represented again by the form of Kalaratri. It seems in the battle with Mahishasura, Devi had to face the demon Raktabijasura, who had the ability to remanifest himself as many more Raktabijasuras from every drop of blood that fell on the ground. So Kalaratri incarnated to lick away every drop of blood that fell on the ground, thus not enabling him to multiply and eventually defeat Raktabijasura. So what's the spiritual message here? In our course of path towards our goal, some of the main challenges that we face is going to be from our own self, our tendencies, our habits, our preconceived notions. And the more we let them be, they multiply and manifest in different forms of negativities. Impatience may lead to anger. Anger may in turn lead to some untowardly conduct that we may have in different situations. Often, we need to take a strong stand against these tendencies, as they have very firm roots. We need to take a fierce form tackling them and uprooting them. So Devi Kalaratri teaches us to handle our tendencies firmly and not let them multiply in form of firm-rooted negativities. Om Amriteshwariyai Namah.